Good morning, students. Today we shall start chapter 7. The name of the chapter is fractions. First of all, we will learn what is a fraction. A fraction means a part of a group or of a region. Or we can say that a fraction is a part of whole. Okay. So for an example, here we have an image of a pizza, and this is a piece which is taken out from the pizza, and now we want to find the fraction of that piece. For this we will count total number of pieces. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Total pieces are 8. Okay, and one piece is taken out, so we write here 1. So fraction of this piece become 1 upon 8. Okay, here 1 is called numerator and 8 is called the denominator. Now we start exercise 7.1. Question number 1 is write a fraction representing the shaded portion. We have to write the fraction. So first of all, we will count the total number of portion. This triangle is divided into four equal triangle. Okay, this triangle is divided into four equal triangle. 1 2 3 4, four triangles. So total parts become 4, and number of shaded portion means shaded parts 1 and 2, only 2. So the fraction will become 2 upon 4. Fraction will become 2 upon 4. Question number 2, color the part according to the given fraction. In the previous question, they have given us a figure which is shaded, and we have to write the fraction of that figure. But in question number 2, we have fraction. And we have to color the figure according to the given fraction. Okay. So here in this question you can see 1 upon 3. The given fraction is 1 upon 3. It means this figure means this rectangle is divided into 3 equal parts. This figure is divided into 3 equal parts. You can see 1 2 and 3. Out of this, one part should be shaded. एक पार्ट कैसा हमें करना है, शेड करना है. तो we will shed any one of its part. कोई सा भी एक पार्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, शेड कर देंगे. Okay, color carefully. In this way you will complete this question. Now question number 3. In question number 3 we have to identify the error, if any. Okay, you can see this figure. In this figure you can see that these figures are not equally divided. Okay, if these figures are not equally divided, then how can we write the fraction of this number? This is a circle. If we want to write fraction of this part, so we have to divide it into equal parts. Okay, equal parts में हम लोग को divide करना पड़ेगा. 4 parts हैं. क्या ये जो 4 parts है ये equal हैं? नहीं है. So they are not equally divided. Therefore shaded portion do not represent the given fraction. Question number 4. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? So we have to write the fraction of 8 hours. So first of all we write the given time. Given time is 8 hours. Total time इन्होंने क्या पूछा था, from a day. What fraction of a day? तो हम लोग को fraction किस में से निकालना है, 8 day. सो टोटल टाइम हम लोग के पास 1 डे है. 1 डे मीन्स 24 आवर्स. सो फ्रैक्शन विल बिकम 8/24. Now what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes. So given time is 40 minutes. We have to find the fraction of 40 minutes out of an hour. हम लोग को एक 1 hour में से 40 minutes का फ्रैक्शन राइट करना है. So we will write 40 and number of minutes. कितने मिनट्स होते हैं 1 hour में? 60 minutes. So we write here 60. 40/60. So the fraction will become 40/60. Hence the question 5 completed. Thank you.